Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll tell you how to draw a color wheel. And color wheel is one of the most important part in art. I will use my this geometry box, need one compass. I am having this type of compass and scale of course. So what we have to do is we have to take 3 centimeter radius and you can measure it like this, right? We have to create one circle. Mark your center point. So what we have to do is we have to draw our line like this and we have to divide the circles into 3 equal parts. So the circumference is 360 degree and we have to divide it by 3, right? So that will be 120 degree from this side. You have to keep your D on this center line and mark 120 degree and join it with the center point. Now again we have to keep our D on this side. And again you have to measure 120 degree from this side, right? Again join this line from the center point. So our third point is already defined. This is 3 equal parts of a circle. And again you have to keep your D this side and find the third one. Again join this line from the center point and this is almost same. So this is 3 equal part of a circle and this is our color wheel circle. Color wheel is having 3 primary colors. One is red, yellow and blue. Now we have to take little distance from this circle. We have to take little gap in this. And this gap we have to take for the secondary colors. Now take 0.75 inch distance and draw a circle. And again you have to give little space. And again you have to draw one circle for the tertiary colors. So this is a color wheel. Now we have to divide these 2 circles also for secondary and tertiary color. So what we have to do is we have to take the measurement in between these 2 lines, means half of this one section. So take the center of this 120 degree and draw a line from this point to the second circle. Second circle should be also divided into three equal parts of 120 degree, right? So same you have to follow the steps. Take the center of the 120 degree and then draw a line to the till the second circle. Now we have to divide this third circle into 9 equal parts of 360 degree. So 360 divided by 9 is equal to 40 degree. So we have to do the sections on 40 degree in third circle. So from where you have to start, you have to take the center of these two lines. You have to keep your D this side on this line, and from this line you have to measure 40, 80, right? And you have to join. So this was our supporting line. Same you have to divide this section. What we have to do, we have to extend this line, or now you can measure from this side also in the circle. Make these supporting lines dotted so you will get the section. The other side also. This will be a supporting line. Now again keep your D this side and measure 40 and 80. Same process you have to follow for the third section. Now join these from the center. Hope you have liked the video and understood how to draw a color wheel. In my next video, I'll tell you how to color a color wheel. So stay tuned, share it with your friends, and give a like if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel for such more art tutorials.